Herman Miller needs no introduction because they set a gold standard in the office and gaming chairs industry. I've been using their Gaming Embody for a few months now to see if these chairs are just the hype or the best like most people say. I'm not going to discuss the importance of a good chair because it is self-explanatory. If you're gaming or working every day at your desk for hours, you need it for your comfort, productivity, performance, and last but not least, your health. Some may say that a lot of chairs look very similar, but it's all about the science-backed technology which is used inside. I haven't tested all the chairs in the world, but the Gaming Embody is probably the most technology-packed chair on the market. The back fit adjustment addresses the common issue of prolonged sitting, which often causes the spine to curve unnaturally and uncomfortably. It adapts to the spine's unique shape, promoting a neutral and balanced posture. The human being's strongest posture is standing with an open chest and slightly forward tilted pelvis. The posture fit mimics this by supporting the sacrum and providing lumbar support while you sit and game or work. The manufacturer added copper-infused foam in the seat and back to support upright sitting and regulate body temperature during long gaming sessions. Ridges in the foam help dissipate heat. The Gaming Embody has even pressure distribution, which utilizes a dynamic matrix of 150 pixels throughout the chair's seat and back. In addition, the chair has dual layers of foam to support your more active posture. Just like with any device or piece of furniture, you need to use it correctly to be able to benefit from the technology it offers. It all starts with achieving a perfect fit, which is different for each person. In short, to achieve the perfect fit, you need a chair that naturally adjusts to your body. You need to think about your entire body, not just your back. It took me just a few minutes to find a perfect fit and to feel comfortable sitting on a chair for hours. If you think that something is not right, just keep adjusting until you feel comfortable. I've been using the Gaming Embody at its lowest height, so there is no tension in my feet and they are flat on the floor. I set the depth of the Gaming Embody so there is some clearance between the back of my knees and the back of the chair. One thing that I could never achieve with other chairs is the accurate head position. To relieve the stress from your back and neck, you need to make sure that your head is properly aligned with the screen by adjusting the back of the chair. This specific adjustment is called back fit. The Gaming Embody also allows you to adjust the back tilt tension by twisting the tilt limiter. I set it at around medium setting. The armrest height is easily adjusted with the push of a button. You can also adjust the width by simply pushing the armrest. Even though I'm not the biggest guy, the widest armrest adjustment point is the most comfortable for me. The recline mechanism can be adjusted by engaging and disengaging the tilt limiter lock. Now, the most important aspect of any chair: comfort. Once you perfectly adjust the Gaming Embody, it's the most comfortable chair I've ever used. I'm not saying this just to join the bandwagon or hype the brand, but it's the only chair that does not make my back, neck, shoulders, arms, or legs hurt after 8 or even more hours of gaming or video editing. Because it works as a cohesive system, it lets your body stay in the most natural position. Its dynamic fit enables materials to conform to your body, distributing pressure where needed and avoiding it where it's not. Also, as you recline in your chair, the body moves at its natural pivot points. Reclining and taking breaks are very important no matter if you are a gamer, a video editor, or an office employee. The Gaming Embody sports an iconic Herman Miller design, especially when you look at the chair's back, where you can see this translucent flexible polymer attached to an acetal H-flexor back structure. Well, the chair looks very nice in this amethyst and white color combination. There are also other color combinations available, but the one I have is my favorite. There are a lot of gaming chairs out there, but to be honest with you, I've never been a huge fan of a traditional race car seat gaming chair design. The Gaming Embody has this minimal design and aesthetics that nicely blend in with the interior of my apartment. The chair uses high-quality polyester, 2 spring layers, 1 matte layer, and 1 foam layer topped with zinc fabric. Everything feels high quality and built to last, the qualities you would expect from Herman Miller. After using the chair for a few months now, it looks and feels like new, all the moving parts are great, nothing is wobbling, and the chair does not make any squeaking sounds. The company calls this your last chair, as Herman Miller gaming chairs all come with a 12-year warranty. Is Herman Miller Gaming Embody worth the hype? After using it for a few months, I can say it's by far the most comfortable chair I've ever used. It adjusts to my entire body like no other chair, and while it's a luxury product, I'm pretty confident it's the last chair I will have instead of replacing them every 2 or 3 years. All things considered, the Herman Miller Gaming Embody might be the GOAT of chairs, and if you're willing to pay the premium, it will serve you for years. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think about the Herman Miller Gaming Embody. Would you buy this gaming chair or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.